Okay, so this video is going to walk you through a couple of the features of speeding up clips and exporting them from within iMovie. So I've taken a clip and I've transferred it from my phone using AirPlay, and I'm just going to take the clip and drag it into the timeline of iMovie. So I can see that this clip is 15.7 seconds long, and if I move my mouse over the clip, it sort of scrolls through it. It's a bunch of motorcycles in Vietnam. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to speed up this clip and make it faster. So what I'm going to do is on this window here in the top, there's a couple different tools that you can use. One of them, if you hover over it, says speed. So I'm going to click on the speed button, and you can see here it says normal. So I'm just going to change that to fast. So the clip has shrunk now, and you see that there's a little bunny on it. So the bunny means that it's moving faster, and it's 7.8 seconds. If I position my mouse anywhere in the clip and you press spacebar, it'll speed it up. So at this point, what I want to do is speed it up even faster. So there's a little bar that's appeared on top of the clip. I'm going to click on the circle thing and drag it to the left. As I drag it to the left, the clip gets smaller and it gets faster. So I'm going to, again, it's 5.9 seconds, put my mouse at the beginning, click spacebar, and I can see that it has speeded up a lot. When it exports, it'll be a little less choppy. So at this point, some changes that you can make are if you want to get rid of the volume, or like if you want to get rid of the sound and do a voiceover, you can click on this sound bar and click and drag it all the way down to 0. So now there's no sound. If I want to record a voiceover, I'm going to click at the beginning of the clip. And so this bar now is at the beginning, and there's a microphone. So I'm going to click on the microphone and then click on the record button. So it'll say 3, 2, 1. And it'll allow you to start recording a voiceover, and you'll see that it goes along the clip. So when you're done with the voiceover, you click the stop button, and you can move this clip independently. So if you want it to start later or go sooner, wherever you would like. Again, you can click on the bar if you want to raise the volume or lower the volume. So if you want to add titles, you just go up to titles on the left-hand side and choose any of the styles. So if you want to put something in the beginning, you can just, all you do is drag it down into iMovie in the top, and you can edit it, double click on it, and say my title. You can shorten it, so if you put your mouse at the beginning or end of the clip and just drag it over, it'll allow you to shorten the clip to whatever you want. So I'm just going to put it 1 second, and you can see now I have my title, I have my clip that's speeded up with my voiceover that I've created. So those are just some of the very basic things for speeding up a clip. Now, if I want to export this, you can click the share button in the upper right-hand corner, and you have a couple different options. You can send it straight to YouTube or Vimeo. I found that it's best to export it as a file to your desktop and then upload that to YouTube or however you want to send it. So if I just click on File, here, if you click on these things, you can change the name. So you change the name, whatever you want to call it. Export it at the highest resolution possible, and click next. So what it's going to do is ask you where you want to put it, save it, and you'll see that this little wheel starts to go as it exports, as it renders out and exports. Once you have the file, you can upload it to your school YouTube account or however you want to turn in the video. That's it.